Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're sharing 5 amazing deals from Amazon. Let's dive in. Deal number 1, Lave Home Shoulder Vase. Add elegance to your home with this beautiful vase. 72% off. Originally $126, now $38.40. Perfect for fresh flowers or as a decorative piece. Its sleek design and versatility make it a must-have. Deal number 2, Brookings Shaker Wall Kitchen Cabinet. Get extra storage in your kitchen with this fantastic cabinet. 76% off. Originally $479.95, now $112.80. Fully assembled and easy to install. Perfect for cooking enthusiasts or storing kitchen essentials. Deal number 3, Stitched Plaid Table Napkins. Style your dining table with these gorgeous napkins. 76% off. Originally $22.32, now $6.70. Practical and stylish for everyday use. High quality material and beautiful stitching add a touch of elegance. Deal number 4, LA Linen Tablecloth. Protect your table with this stain and wrinkle-resistant tablecloth. 74% off. Originally $29.99, now $7.70. Easy to clean design and versatile style make it perfect for everyday use or special occasions. Deal number 5, Elrene Home Fashion's Window Curtain Panel. Add luxury to your home with these beautiful curtains. 70% off. Only $49.99, now $14.80. Faux crushed silk design and easy installation make them a must-have. Don't miss out on these deals. Check the links below to grab them before they're gone. Like and subscribe for more deal alerts. Bye for now.